one. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, so today TQ Wuling. This is in Tan Chong Motor. Rather something very interesting today and something quite big today. Tan Chong Motor signed an agreement with SAIC GM Wuling. So now we have something quite interesting here. It's the TQ Wuling Bingo, right? So that's what you can see over here, and there's a charger over there. So this is an EV, a small little cutie EV. This is CKD. Mind you, this is actually being brought over from another market. It may differ in the rims or maybe the seats colors or maybe some kind of specs. This is the interior, right? So it's actually quite, I would say, cute and interesting looking. So the gear knob is a rotary type. Something lively, something small and cutie energetic. So this is how it looks like when people sit inside. So if I look at this, it's not too small actually. So let's go to the rear and have a look. It's too crowded over here. Okay, so the tail lamp looks like this. And the boot is actually quite big also. So I just wonder what's inside. Can I open? I don't think I can open. How Oh, okay. Wow, so this is a huge boot. So I see Thailand wording. I believe this is for the Thai market. Okay, so that's the charger. So we have a very huge and deep boot at the back. Okay, so look at the tires. Green Max. I haven't seen this brand before. And look at this. What's the size? So it's 185/60 R15. And actually, when we talk about EV, right, we always want something like this. This is so-called a sensible EV to me. You don't need all these fancy stuff to make the EV fly, right? EV is supposed to be fuel efficient. So in order to make a car fuel efficient, right? I mean energy efficient. Just make it small, just make it light, just throw away all the unnecessary stuff, and you'll be getting a efficient, energy efficient vehicle. Okay, so the feel to the touch is actually quite not bad. So looking at the ladders over here, oh, I like this. I love this. You know, nowadays, right? Nowadays, when you see China-made cars, right? It's all high quality. Bro, look at this. So yeah, I like the padding, I like the leather, I like the door closing sound, I like the design, right? Of course, this is not a very expensive or high-end car, and you will be seeing maybe some flaws, but it's okay. So the button feels cute, and there's a huge screens. So this is a rotary knob for the gear selector. Let's take a look at the rear. Let's go in for the rear. So again, I quite like the way the door opens and closes. I mean the latch, the mechanism, the feel of it. It's really not bad. There's pockets over here. You know what? Actually sitting at behind, right? Wow, the seating is actually quite high. Okay. So no aircon vents as expected, but there's speakers over here. And what else? Oh, there's no board. So you can just see through the boot's storage space, just like that. No covers over here. Okay. So something weird over here. So you see this seat belt, right? And then you see this, what do you call this? The latch, is it? So there's one over there, one over here. So there's, I don't see a center one. So is this a 4-seater car? I don't know. So yeah, cup holder, and oh, the parking brake is electronic. Okay, let's get out from the car and pay some. Let's check out the exterior. Okay, just now it's just too crowded and I can't get a full picture of the car. So now, as this is the only chance I can have a good look at the car. So this is the charging port over here. Okay. Yes. So it's manual. There's no fancy stuff over here. And that's a headlamp. It's full LED. Oh, I think you can see it's full LED projector. Alright, let's check out from the driver's seat, and I think that's the same model as that one. So again, getting into the driver's seat. Oh, this one is with the aircon on, yeah. So 4 power windows, and so this is how it looks like with the screen on. Okay, so nothing much more to talk about because it's already been covered in that car. So as per what I mentioned over here, there's no center consoles over here, so you can move your leg like this. So what's this? I think this is a hook over here, and USB port, and also USB charging port over here, and there's a glove box over here. What else? Is this a auto hold? I presume so. Okay. So there you go. The TQ Wuling Bingo EV. Well, it's just people, so crowded. The TQ Wuling Bingo EV.